Manufacturing value chains of edible oil, leather and textiles across the East Africa Community Bloc EABC will receive a boost following a 130 million shillings grant agreement between the East African Business Council and the African Development Bank (ADB) to drive sustainable industrialization across the regional bloc. EABC says the funds will enhance industrial capacity through technical assistance, research, policy, dialogue and capacity building. This will strengthen the East African private sector and seize trade and investment opportunities availed by the EAC Custom Union and Common Market Protocols and the 1.3 billion consumer market under African Continental Free Trade Area.
The signing of this agreement marks a significant milestone in advancing regional economic integration, growth, and competitiveness of East Africa Community priority manufacturing value chain of edible oil, textile, and leather products. We are thrilled to partner with the Africa Development Bank on this vital project that paves the way for stronger regional value chain, greater market access, and inclusive growth that benefit businesses and communities across East Africa.